the one I can't live without, the one he cared for me until it was time. I put my hand in yours, now and forevermore. Just put your faith in me, I will be all that you need. I pray and wait for you so patiently, and now he's blessed our love for eternity. The one I was praying for, the one he delayed me for, the one he kept for me until it was time. All that I want to be is all that you'll ever need. Just praise him for the day he let you pass by my way. So I just want to let you guys know that this was my dedication to Louise and Steve. I asked to sing at the wedding. Steve was my best friend forever, so I really hope that this really blesses you guys. You can keep going. It doesn't matter. Just want to